In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into HubSpot seamlessly. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a straightforward refresher, this guide is designed to help you import your contacts effortlessly in just a few minutes. So, let's dive in and get started. First, make your way to HubSpot's website. Simply open up your preferred web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one before proceeding. After you've successfully logged in, take a look at the dashboard in front of you. To the left, you'll notice a sidebar menu filled with different options. Move your cursor over to this sidebar, and you'll want to find the section labeled CRM. Hover over CRM, and just below it, a tab named Contacts will appear. Go ahead and click on Contacts. This will bring up your contacts management area, where all your data will soon reside. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a button named Import. Clicking on this button will initiate the process of bringing your existing contacts into HubSpot. As you proceed, HubSpot will prompt you with a choice. You'll be asked whether you want to add your existing contacts with assistance from HubSpot's guided setup or prefer to go ahead and set it up yourself. In this video, we'll be selecting the option to set it up ourselves, giving you a bit more control over the entire process. Once you choose to set it up yourself, you'll notice that HubSpot provides several options for importing your data. You can choose to import from files, such as a CSV or Excel file, sync your data directly from other apps you might be using, or even migrate data using specific tools HubSpot has to offer. For our example, let's say you decide to import from a file. Follow the on-screen prompts to upload your file, often a CSV or Excel document, that contains the contacts you wish to import. HubSpot will guide you through mapping the columns in your file to the correct fields in their system, ensuring everything lines up correctly. This step is crucial for maintaining data integrity, so take a moment to ensure your columns correspond with the correct fields. For example, making sure that emails go into the email field, names go into the name field, and so on. And there you have it. You've now successfully imported your contacts into HubSpot, ready to start managing and nurturing those relationships effectively. I hope this guide was helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out or consult HubSpot's vast array of support documents. Thanks for joining me, and happy contact importing!